Grabe oh, napadaan lang tayo rito. Wow.
La sister.
Guys, look. We're in front of Mount Banahaw. There.
So nice. So happy
Happy
birthday!
birthday! Happy birthday! Kakagising lang. Happy birthday! Thank you. Yes, we're 5 years old na. Tingnan muna natin yung pool. Swimming! Padaan po. Go, go, go. Wow! Look at that view. Look at that. Welcome to farm ko. We're celebrating Micaela's 5th birthday here. Sa harap namin, Mount Banahaw. Kai, happy birthday! Are you happy? Yeah. Okay.
I'm not scared.
You're not scared? Go. How old are you?
5.
5. Ang yabang naman this boy. Boom. Let's see what is inside.
There?
Yes.
Okay.
Ito, this is a farm to table restaurant. Lahat ng nandito, it's a buffet. Buffet siya. Ayun si Papa. Kaya they're singing happy birthday for you. Wow! 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 What will you say? Wow, thank you, Farm ko. Thank you.
Bless ka sa kanila, bless ka sa kanila.
Kayo? Thank you.
Welcome po.
Babe, another surprise.
Oh, bakit?
Sa birthday girl. Pancake, chocolate pancake.
Thank you, brother.
Ma, asan na yung... They have this one.
Pink ko. Ubi yan?
Opo, ubi halay.
Wow, ang sarap naman yan.
Favorite ko yun eh.
Wow.
Ako din
It's
po.
your birthday?
Yes.
Happy birthday!
Thank you po. Ang daming surprise. Binigyan siya ng gift kanina. Oh. Oh. Dito ka tayo. Dito ka lang. Be careful.
Ma, pwede mo kawakan?
Nahilo ko.
Ako hindi. Wait.
Ang bihirang Mikael na yan, oh. Oh, hawakan mo. Hanggang grabe, naakit. Ganun pa. Ulitin mo nga pa kabila. Straight na straight yung katawan. Ganun.
Ma, look.
Be careful, ha. Birthday girl.
Yan, okay na po. Baba po muna. Baba po muna. Okay na po. 1, 2, 3. Angat po, mataas na angat. Wala pa tayo, wala pa.
Good morning. This is our glamping tent. Tulog pa si Mikay sa loob. And I just had my breakfast. Dinala ko na dito para bantay ko si Mikay. While Mikael and Mike nandun sila sa may tent. Sa may food tent. Kasi buffet yung breakfast. Try nyo dito, guys. Sarap dito. Camping. Yan. Good morning. Laki ng property. Ito niya. She wants a face paint. Look at her. Look at her, guys. What are you doing? Paano pag di nabura? You're going to look like that tomorrow. Oh. Tingnan mo yung face mo. Fish! Fish! So many fish. Wow! Yan yung tilapia, oh. O, bigay mo na. Pari. Laki ng catfish.
Mr. Craig?
Ate Mikay! Ate Mikay!
Ate Mikay!
Verification daw.
Come on! Ready to